The Webster Cobweb Duster Head is a compact brush head made of nylon bristles. This duster head is designed to effectively remove both cobwebs and dust, making it a versatile tool. Its threaded end allows for effortless attachment to an extension pole, enabling access to out-of-reach, difficult-to-clean spots. Use the Webster Cobweb Duster to swiftly deal with spider webs indoors and outdoors. The Webster Cobweb Duster can be used on its own, but you will need an extension pole to reach ceilings and other elevated locations. We also recommend you wear a facial covering so you don't breathe in any harmful dust particles when you clean. Simply raise the duster towards any dust or cobwebs and brush in a downward motion. If you're dealing with a spider infestation, we recommend you also use Web Out Cobweb Eliminator. Web Out is an organic, non-toxic spray that breaks down webs and prevents spiders from establishing new webs in treated areas. Just apply the product directly onto any spider webs or surfaces, then brush the area clean. Web Out will stop spiders from creating new webs for 30 to 90 days on outdoor surfaces and up to 120 days on indoor surfaces. The Webster Cobweb Duster Head is a versatile tool suitable for both indoor and outdoor use in residential or commercial settings. Pair this duster with an extension pole to clean ceilings, garages, basements, and nooks where spiders tend to establish themselves and create webs. The Webster Cobweb Duster and extension pole are both safe and not harmful when used properly. When cleaning in or around your home or property, always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE to protect yourself from breathing in fumes, vapors, or particles. If you're dealing with frequent spider infestations, then we recommend you treat your home for insects in general. Excessive spiders around your home indicate high insect activity. Use a repelling insecticide like Supreme IT to create a repelling barrier that will keep insects away. With no available food sources, spiders will not establish nests or webs in or around your home.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.